Hello students of class 9, this is exercise 6.3 type 2. Okay, find the sum up to nth term of each of the following series. This is your exercise 6.3 type 2. Find the sum up to nth term. Find the sum up to nth term of each of the following series. Okay, find the sum up to nth term of each of the following series. So this is 4 plus 44 plus 444 plus dot dot dot. So I have to find the sum up to nth term of each of the following series. So in here you see, before we start, first of all you will have to remember some formulas here. Okay, the first formula is that in here you see sum of the first n terms. First formula is that sum of the first n terms of a GP. Okay, if common ratio is less than 1. Okay, if common ratio is less than 1, then our formula is Sn is equals to A into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. A is the first term, r is the common ratio, and if r is greater than 2, if r is greater than 1, then our formula is Sn is equals to A Rn minus 1 by r minus 1. These two formulas you will have to first of all remember. If 1 is less than r, that is common ratio is less than r, then this is formula, and if common ratio is greater than 1, then this is the formula. Okay, these two you will have to remember. Understand? So now in here you see this is a series, but in here what is going on, that this series, it is not in geometric progression. So directly I cannot use the formula. I will have to bring it in geometric progression, then only I can use the formula. So this is equals to, first of all, in order to bring it to geometric progression, what I will do, you see in here 4 common I can take. So this is 1 plus 11 plus 1 1 1 plus dot dot dot. Okay, now both side, both numerator and denominator, I will multiply it by 9. Understand? So this becomes 4 by 9, and if I multiply, do with this whole thing, I will get 9 plus 9 9 plus 9 9 9 plus dot dot. Finished? Now 4 by 9, this 9 I can write it as 10 minus 1. Yes, this one 9 I can write it 10 minus 1. This one I can write it as 100 minus 1. This one I can write it as 1000 minus 1 plus dot dot dot. Finished? Now you see, look very carefully, this is 4 by 9. Okay, this is, you see, 4 by 9. Now in here what I will do, this is, you see, 10, yes, plus 100 plus 1000. These things I will bring it to one side. Okay, 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus dot dot dot. Okay, this is I will have to find up to nth term. Okay, this addition I have to find up to nth term, and then this one, you see, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 there. So this is minus common I will take, and then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dot 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 up to n terms. So this series, it is in geometric progression. So this is 4 by 9. You see the common ratio 100 by 10. Common ratio, it will be 100 by 10, which is equals to 10 I will get, which is greater than 1. So I can use this formula. 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1. Since I am adding it up to nth term, so 10 to the power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. Understand? Minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is like that up to n terms. Understand? Up to n terms. So this one I will do 1 into n. Understand? 1 into n. 1 I am adding how many? 1 I am adding how many times? N times I am adding. Yes or no? 1 plus 1 plus 1, like that up to n terms. Okay, so 1 I am adding up to how many? 1 I am adding up to n term. Yes or no? That means how many number of 1 are there? N numbers of 1 are there. Okay, so n numbers of 1 I am adding, so therefore I will write 1 into n. Yes, this is minus there, minus 1 into n. Understand? So this is ultimately 4 by 9. This one I will get 10 to the power n minus 1 by 9 minus n I will get. Okay, so this 4 by 9 I will multiply to, then this is I will get 40 by 81, 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 4 by 9 n I will get. This is my answer. Next one you see. Next one again I am showing you. Next one you see. So next number B I am showing you it in board. So this is, you see, 8 plus 8 8 plus 8 8 8 plus dot dot dot. This series, it is not in geometric progression, so directly I cannot use the formula. First of all I will have to bring it in geometric progression. So this is 8 plus 8 8 plus 8 8 8 plus dot dot dot. So in here 8 if I common take, then I will get 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 1 plus dot dot dot. 9 both side I will multiply to. So 8 by 9, and this one if I multiply to with 9, then I will get 9 plus 9 9 plus dot dot dot. This is equals to 8 by 9. This one I can write as 10 minus 1, okay, plus 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1 plus dot dot dot. Yes, so now you see this 10 plus 100 plus 1000 I will write it in one side, and minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 I will write it in one side. So this is 8 by 9. This one I will get 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus dot 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 up to which term I will have to add? Up to nth term. Yes, up to nth term. Okay, and then this one, let me write down in this bracket, and then you see minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, there's a minus common if I take, then I will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 dot 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 up to nth term. Yes, up to nth term. Now flower, this curly bracket I will close it. Okay, so now in here you see this is 8 by 9. Now this is in GP, this series it is in geometric progression, and their common ratio will be 10, because 100 divided by 10, common ratio 100 divided by 10, this is equals to 10. So common ratio is greater than 1, so I can use this formula. 10 bracket start 10 to the power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1, and minus, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to nth term. If I add, I will write 1 into n. So this is ultimately I will get 8 by 9. This is 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 by 9 minus n. So ultimately is equals to, I will get is equals to 8 by 9, 8 by 9, if I multiply with this one, I will get 80 by 81, and this is 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 8 by 9 into n. This is our answer. Okay. Now next you see number C. 0.5 plus 0.55 plus 0.555 plus dot dot dot. Okay, this is our number C. Now in here you see this is a solution. 0.5 plus 0.55 plus 0.555 plus dot dot dot. So now from here if I take 5 common, then I will get 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 plus dot dot dot. Now both side if I divide it by 5 by 9, this one I will get 0.9 plus 0.99 plus 0.999 plus dot dot dot. So this is 5 by 9. This one you see, let me give flower bracket here. 0.9, this one you see 1 minus, if 1 0.9 0.0 minus 0.1 if I do here, then this is 10 minus 9, 0.9 I will get, yes. So this is 1 minus 0.1, okay, plus this is again 1 minus this one 1 there. So this will be 0.99 there, yes. So 1.00 minus 0. This one 0.1 if I do, then this is 9 and this will be 9, okay. So 0.01 plus 1 minus 0.001, yes, plus dot dot dot. Understand? So now this is equals to 5 by 9. This one, this whole thing you see, I can write it as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dot 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 up to nth term, yes, up to nth term, and this one minus bracket start 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 plus dot 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 up to nth term. Okay, this one flower bracket closed. Understand? So this is 5 by 9. This one you see, this one it will be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dot 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 up to nth term. This will be 1 into n minus. Now you see this series, it is in geometric progression. 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 plus 0. Again you will get 0.001. So this is in geometric progression, and their common ratio is 0.01 divided by 0.1 if I do, 0.01 divided by 0.1 if I do, both side multiplied by 10. So this is 0.1 by 1 I will get. So common ratio is 0.1. Understand? Common ratio is 0.1, and 0.1 is less than 1, so common ratio is less than 1. So in here I will use this formula. First term it is our 0.1, yes, first term it is our 0.1. This one in here we will use this bracket, okay, square bracket we will use. This is curly bracket, 0.1 bracket start, and this will be 1 minus 0.1 to the whole power n, okay, 0.1 to the whole power n by 1 minus 0.1, okay, and this will be our answer. Understand? So this is ultimately what I got in here. Ultimately this is 5 by 9. This one it will become n minus this is 0.1 bracket start 1 minus 0.1 to the whole power n by 1 minus 0.1. I will get 0.9. So now in here you see 5 by 9 n minus this is 0.1 1 minus 0.1 to the whole power n by 0.9. Both side let me multiply it by 10 into 10. So this is ultimately 5 by 9 n minus this is 0.1 into 10, it will become 1. So ultimately you will get 1 minus 0.1 to the whole power n, and this one you will get 9. This is the answer you are getting. Yes. So now this 5 by 9, if I multiply it, I will get 5n by 9 minus this will be 5 by 81, 5 by 81, 1 minus 0.1 to the whole power n. This is the answer I will get. Let me check the back answer here. Exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. Question number C. Exercise 6.3. Question number C. This is your answer. 5 by 9. N minus 1 by this one you do. Instead of multiplying this one, you do it in this way. This one it is there now. So in here you see this whole thing I can write it as this one it is there. So this one you see 5 by 9, this one there, n minus 1 minus 0.1 to the whole power n by 9. This is in this way there. Yes. So this one in this way there. So this one we will do 5 by 9 n minus 1 by 9. This is you see 1 minus 0.1. How I can write? 1 by 10 I can write. Yes, 1 by 10 to the whole power n. Okay, 1 by 10 to the whole power n. This one I will get. So this is equals to 5 by 9 n minus 1 by 9, 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power n. This is our answer. Okay, let me do this problem one more time. Understand? These are not so much hard. You see, let me do this problem one more time. Type 2 number C. Okay, type 2 number C. What saying? 0.5 plus 0.55 plus 0.555 plus dot dot dot. This one there. Yes. Solution C. So this is your 0.5 plus 0.55 plus 0.555 plus dot dot dot. So from here I will take 5 common. 0.1 plus 0.11 plus 0.111 plus dot dot dot. So this is you see 5 by 9, both side 9 multiply to 0.99 plus 0.999 plus dot dot dot. Finished. So now this one I can write as 1 minus 0.1. Finished. 1 minus 0.1. This one I can write as 1 minus 0.01 plus this one I can write as 1 minus 0.001 plus dot dot dot. This one you got. Now again 5 by 9, this one you see I will separate it. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dot dot dot. This is up to nth term. Yes, up to nth term, and this will be plus minus 0. So this is minus common I will take. So ultimately 0.1 plus 0.001 plus 0.00 sorry 0.01. okay, 0.01 plus 0.001 plus dot 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 up to nth term. Yes, up to nth term. This is flower bracket close. Finished. So this is equals to 5 by 9. This one 1 plus 1 plus up to nth term. This will be 1 into n minus this is now in geometric progression. Understand? Whose common ratio is common ratio is 0.1 and which is less than 1, so therefore I will use this formula here. This one you give square bracket, we will use this formula here, 0.1, understand, 0.1 bracket start 1 minus 0.1, this one to the whole power n it will be, okay, 1 minus n it will be by 1 minus 0.1, understand. This is this formula I will use. So this is ultimately 5 by 9, okay, 5 by 9 n minus, this is 0.1, this is 0.1 by, this will be 0.9 into 1 minus 0.1 to the whole power n, understand, 1 minus to the whole power n, okay. This is 0.1, yes, this is 0.1 by this one 0.9 you will get, understand. Now this is 5 by 9 n minus, if both side if you multiply it by 10, then you will get 1 by 9, and this is 1 minus, this one you can write as 1 by 10 to the whole power n, and this will be our answer, understand, this will be our answer. Okay.